Actually, we're gonna make a balloon garden. So I already have pre-inflated these, and I'm gonna show you how I put them together. So I'm gonna grab a 17-inch or 18, 11, and I'm going to blow up a large one and a small one. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. And it doesn't have to be a specific size, whatever size you want it. The 17 inches just blow up a little bit smaller so they don't pop. And then the 11-inch, I'm just gonna do smaller. They don't have to be a specific size, but you do want them all different sizes so they look organic. So then I'm gonna blow up 2 small ones of the 11-inch ones. Let me switch this out. And these I make slightly bigger than that small one, than the other 11-inch one. Again, they don't have to be a specific size, so you just tie them together. So now I have something like this. So I have a large one, a small one, and 2 kind of medium large ones. To stick them together, to lock them in together, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to take 2 of the top balloons and flip them around each other, twist them around each other. And you're gonna end up with something that looks like this. So you're gonna take that, you're gonna put it on the bottom, and I already have some pre-inflated ones. So I'm gonna take 2 of the 11-inch ones, I'm gonna lock them up, and I'm gonna stack it on top. And to tie these together, we're gonna be using some fishing wire. So you're gonna tie these together. Let's tie it first on the first one. We're gonna tie it in. You tie it under 2 balloons. Take 2 balloons, tie it up. Do about 3 knots, should be good. And then you're gonna take your other stack and you're gonna stack it on top of it. And you're gonna tie 2 balloons. 2 of the balloons from the top one to 2 balloons of the bottom one. You're gonna do 2, and you're gonna pull it tight so it sits nice and tight, and try to decrease any gaps. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the large balloon, a large and a small, and then 2 small ones, and I'm gonna repeat the same thing. I'm gonna go ahead and lock them up, and I'm gonna stack it on top, and then I'm going to go over 2 balloons. I have the pink one and the blue one, and 2 balloons on the bottom. And I'm gonna pull to make sure they're nice and tight. So now I'm going to 2 small balloons, 2 small ones, lock them up, and I'm gonna stack it on top of that. And you can put it on the floor and push it down so they're nice and tight so there's no gaps. Wrap around 2 balloons on the top and 2 balloons on the bottom. And then pull tight. And you should be getting your garland looking like this. And try to put these around, don't put them in the same place facing the same, or you'll get all the large ones in one area. So you want to rotate them around so your garland has the large ones around the whole garden, not on just one side. So you're going to keep doing this until you reach the length that you want. I'm going to stop right there. I'm going to do one more so I can show you. So I did the 2 small ones. So I'm gonna look for a large one and a small one. I'm gonna stack it on top. And then I'm gonna do 2 small ones. And you can do whatever, however, you can organize the colors however you want them. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and, so you can use the wire to hang it to wherever, to attach it to wherever you're gonna attach it to. So I wouldn't cut the wire too short, just leave it long. Same on the other side. So you wanna leave it long so you can use it to attach. So the next thing I want to teach you how to attach is the little small balloons. So I have I'm gonna blow them up against no specific size. You can size them if you want, but I just kind of gauge them. Kind of eyeball them, tie them together. 2 more. Just so they're about the same, so you use the other one to gauge it. And then you're going to flip them together again, like just like the other ones. Then you get something like this. Then you're gonna use a long balloon, half of it. You're gonna tie it in 2 knots, and then you're gonna look for the fishing wire in the middle of your balloon, and you're gonna take the tail and tie it in there. Remember, don't have any rings, sharp needles, or you're gonna pop your balloons. And you tie it in. And that's how you tie in your small balloons. You can do them wherever you feel they need to go. I usually do 1 per every 2 sections. So you don't need a lot of the small ones. It's just to for dimension and kind of 3D looking. So to tie in foils, you're gonna blow up your foil. And again, you're gonna use one of the long balloons, just half of it. And you're gonna tie where you blew it up, you're gonna roll it up. You're gonna tie it, and it's gonna look like that. Do 2, and you're gonna tie it into your balloon garland. Again, you're gonna look for the fishing wire in the middle. And you're gonna attach it in, and then you can move it around, position it however you want. And of course, you're going to tie your garland first to whatever you're gonna attach it to, and it'll be easier to tie in all the smaller ones. Oh, I want to show you guys how to inflate the stars. You're going to use your hand pump and you're going to blow it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it looks like this. You're going to do a few. You're going to try to do 6 of them. All right. And again, you're going to seal the valve. You're going to take the 2 tails and you're going to tie them together. Tie these together and then tie these together. Not too tight. They're gonna look like this. Then you're gonna do the same as what we do with the balloons. You're gonna flip them together. And then you're gonna put the 3rd one in the middle and flip it onto itself. Twist it. So now you have something like this. Then you're gonna take one of the clear balloons, or the long balloons, and you're gonna tie it in the middle. I wrap it around a few times so they're all in there. I'm gonna tie it. And then once your garland is up, we're gonna look for the center of the garland, which is the fishing wire again. And you're gonna tie it in there. Oops. You're gonna look again for the long balloons. And you're gonna tie them in and anchor them to the fishing wire. And that's how it looks. All right, if you have any questions, please ask in the comments.